How to fix Telegram verification code not received on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram. This problem easy and quick on Android phone. First just open settings and then go to battery and disable power saving mode. You will find it like that. Disable it and that's it. Now go to apps and then apps again, and here just type Telegram and click on it, and then click storage and click clear cache, and after that go to permissions and allow here this one, phone and call logs, and that's it. Then go back and apps and then apps again, and here type messages, click on it, and here click storage and click here for stop, and that's it. Now just open messages again and check, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.